Top 10 Facts About Mount Etna, Italy. Number 1, Mount Etna is an active volcano located on the east coast of the island of Sicily in Italy. Number 2, it is the tallest active volcano in Europe, standing at a height of 3,329 meters, 10,922 feet, above sea level. Number 3, the first recorded eruption of Mount Etna occurred in 475 BC, making it one of the oldest active volcanoes in the world. Number 4, the volcano has erupted more than 200 times since then, with the most recent eruption occurring in February 2021. Number 5, Mount Etna is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and is constantly monitored by scientists to predict and mitigate potential risks. Number 6, the volcanic ash from Mount Etna has enriched the soil around the volcano, making the surrounding area very fertile and ideal for agriculture. Number 7, Mount Etna has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2013 due to its outstanding universal value. Number 8, the volcano has a unique ecosystem with a variety of flora and fauna that have adapted to the harsh volcanic environment. Number 9, Mount Etna is also a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors every year who come to witness the breathtaking views and explore the surrounding area. Number 10, the mountain has played an important role in Sicilian culture and folklore, with many myths and legends surrounding its fiery history.